Hey there, science fans, Bill Nye here, ready to explore the wild world of natural disasters. From floods to volcanoes, these events are a powerful reminder of nature's incredible forces. Understanding these disasters is crucial for staying safe and protecting ourselves and our communities. So, let's dive in and learn about these incredible phenomena. We're going to explore the what, the why, and the how of these events. Get ready for some amazing facts and important safety tips along the way. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to natural disasters, being prepared can make all the difference. Let's start with floods. Imagine a whole neighborhood submerged in water. That's a flood. Floods happen when there's too much water in one place and it overflows onto normally dry land. Think of a bathtub overflowing, not a good situation. Floods can be caused by heavy rains, overflowing rivers, tsunamis, or even melting snow. Sometimes they happen slowly, giving people time to prepare. Other times they strike quickly, like a flash flood after a sudden downpour. Yikes! The key is to be aware of the risks in your area and have an evacuation plan ready. Next up, landslides. Imagine a giant chunk of earth breaking loose and sliding down a hill. That's a landslide. They can happen in the blink of an eye, and they can be incredibly dangerous. Landslides are often triggered by heavy rain, earthquakes, or even volcanic eruptions. When the ground gets saturated with water, it becomes unstable and can give way. It's like building a sandcastle too close to the water's edge. Eventually, it's going to collapse. Now, let's talk about drought. Imagine a land where rain is scarce and the ground is parched and cracked. That's a drought. Droughts happen when there's not enough rainfall for an extended period, leading to a shortage of water. Droughts can have a huge impact on agriculture, wildlife, and even human health. Crops wither and die, animals struggle to find water, and people face water shortages. It's a stark reminder of how precious water is and the importance of conserving it every day. Section 5. The whirling winds. Hurricanes. Get ready for some serious wind power. Hurricanes are like giant spinning storms that form over warm ocean waters. They're known for their intense winds, heavy rainfall, and potential for widespread destruction. These powerful storms are fueled by warm, moist air rising from the ocean's surface. As the air rises, it creates an area of low pressure, drawing in more air and causing the storm to spin faster and faster. Hurricanes are categorized by their wind speeds, with Category 5 being the strongest and most destructive. Section 6. Shaking things up. Earthquakes. Hold on to your hats, folks, because earthquakes can shake things up. These sudden and violent shaking of the ground are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, those giant pieces of Earth's crust that fit together like a puzzle. When these plates collide, rub against each other, or suddenly slip, they release a tremendous amount of energy in the form of seismic waves. These waves travel through the Earth, causing the ground to shake and tremble. Earthquakes are measured on the Richter scale, with higher numbers indicating stronger quakes. Section 7. Waves of power. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are giant waves, but not the kind you surf on. These powerful waves are usually caused by earthquakes or underwater volcanic eruptions. Imagine a massive wall of water crashing onto the shore. That's a tsunami. When an earthquake or eruption occurs underwater, it displaces a huge amount of water, creating these massive waves. Tsunamis can travel across entire oceans at incredible speeds, and when they reach shallow water near the coast, they can grow to enormous heights, causing catastrophic damage. Section 8. Fiery mountains. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are like mountains with a fiery secret. These geological formations have an opening in the Earth's crust that allows molten rock, ash, and gases to escape from deep below the surface. When the pressure from the molten rock, known as magma, builds up, it can erupt through the opening, called a vent. Volcanic eruptions can be explosive, sending ash and rocks high into the air, or they can be effusive, with lava slowly flowing down the sides of the volcano. Section 9. Staying safe in a shaky world. Natural disasters are a fact of life on Earth, but by understanding them and being prepared, we can stay safe. Remember to listen to local authorities, have an emergency plan, and know the evacuation routes in your area. Stay informed about weather forecasts, potential hazards, and safety guidelines. And most importantly, remember that we're all in this together. By looking out for each other and working together, we can overcome the challenges posed by these natural events. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep on exploring the science all around us.